The espresso machine is one of the most unforgiving devices to brew coffee. On the flip side, being able to craft a perfect cup of espresso can be extremely rewarding. If you want to take full control over your espresso brew process, you should skip the automatic machine for a manual one. In today's video, I will show you the 5 best manual espresso machines in 2020. So please watch the full video from number 5 to number 1. I hope this guide will help you to find the best one for you. The FLAIR manual espresso maker is a sleek, hand-powered espresso maker that creates enough pressure to mimic a top-of-the-line electric espresso machine. It costs a fraction of what a typical espresso machine would cost, and it's powered completely by hand. After inserting the coffee grounds, you will fill the water chamber with hot water and secure it above the coffee. Then you pull a lever which forces the water through the coffee grounds, producing a shot of espresso. This action creates enough pressure between 8 to 16 bars to properly extract the coffee and make a great tasting shot of espresso. It captures the strong, bittersweet flavor of espresso and creates a rich layer of crema on the top. True, you have to disassemble and clean the portafilter and piston assembly after every shot. But this only takes about a few minutes. And really, any manual espresso machine requires the same kind of care. Compared to the other models on this list, the WACACO manual espresso maker is more austere. It's a no-frill machine clearly designed with functionality in mind. The presso is made from durable metal and has a 10-year warranty. It requires no electricity and is very straightforward to use. Just push down to build pressure. It also has 4 rubber legs in its base, meant to keep it firmly in place as you use it. The resulting cup of espresso can't compete with what you could brew with a more high-end machine. But that really doesn't mean it's a bad espresso maker. As long as you have the right beans and get the process down to a T, you can still get delicious shots of espresso on the presso. Weighing less than 4 pounds, the WACACO is relatively light. It also comes with a tin for storage. This makes it a useful option for espresso-loving travelers. STARESSO is a portable espresso machine that comes with almost all the bells and whistles to make a perfect cup each time. This espresso machine features a compact and very lightweight design and weighs just under 1 pound, making it a very easy to take with you on the go. But even with its portable design, this manual machine can hold up to 80 ml water and 0.53 ounces of ground coffee. So will most likely never run out of a cup when you need one. It's compatible with most Nespresso pods and other leading coffee brands and is extremely easy to use. The STARESSO espresso machine boasts an improved patented pump system which provides between 15 to 20 bar pressure and does not require any electricity. It's constructed from BPA-free material, making it safe to use, and features a coffee chamber and pressure pump made from high-quality stainless steel. This STARESSO is appointed with a see-through window, so you can get a clear view of each brewing cup. It's easy to clean by simply taking the parts apart and then washing them under clean water. The STARESSO is backed by 2-year warranty against any kind of manufacturer defects and around-the-clock customer service support. Launched in 2008 and designed in France, the HANDPRESSO Wild Hybrid espresso machine features a portable design and works similarly to a bicycle pump, which you use to build a maximum 16 bar pressure for a rich and creamy espresso wherever you may be. It boasts a light and sturdy design and can brew both short and strong 50 ml espresso. This machine comes with 2 portafilters, one to use with ground coffee and other with coffee pods. So you have got everything you need to get started right out of the box. The HANDPRESSO Wild Hybrid espresso machine runs without the use of electricity and is fitted with a manometer which indicates when the 16 bar pressure is reached. This espresso machine is available in 3 different color options and is backed by a 2-year warranty against any kind of manufacturer defects. The HANDPRESSO Wild Hybrid espresso machine comes with a 1.5 ounce water reservoir and takes roughly 30 strokes to build up the pressure needed after you have added the water. If you are looking for the best manual espresso machine, one that offers no fuse brewing, the HANDPRESSO Wild Hybrid espresso machine is definitely worth a second look.